Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create an affiliate website with Wix. So simply in order to do this, just you have to go to Wix. Simply you can type here in Google, or simply you can visit wix.com. After that, just first of all you have to create your account on Wix. So in my case I have already created account. As you can see, my account is created here. So here you can see my account is created. So now after that, just on the my sites option, here you can see I have already created a one website. Now I want to make show a demonstration to you. So simply in order to do this, just I will create a new website. So simply as you can see, this is the option create a new site. So and here you can see create a new folder. So in order to create a site, you have to click on create a new site, and after that when you click here, just you have to wait for few seconds. We are moving to new page. So simply just type affiliate here. So here you can see affiliate marketing portfolio. So simply select this one. After that, when you select this one, just in the next step you have to click on next, and now wait for few seconds. So enter your website name here. So what kind of website you want to make. So simply type the website name here. After that click on next. So it's depend upon you what kind of name you want to add. So here you can see what you want to add your website: chat, online store, form, portfolio, blog, events, bookings, pricing plans, Instagram feed, video, music, food orders. So all these options are available. So simply as you can see, we want to create a portfolio, or simply you can select all this. It's depend upon you. So after that click on next, and now here start setting up your website. So after that, just you can also begin with template or get a custom build site. So simply just for easy steps click on begin with template. So just click here. So now here you can see there are many templates available. So what kind of template you want? So simply all the templates here. So I select this one. Simply click here. So as you can see, I have selected this one, and after that when you open the template, now in the next step here you can see site theme. So just you can also change this dynamic, technical, or anything. After that click on choose this template. So now here you have to wait for a few seconds. Our template is being uploaded. So now we are moving to Wix website editor. It will take some time to upload the page. So now here you can see finally our page is being uploaded. So it will take some more time. Adding the finishing setting up your apps, you are good to go. So finally here our theme is uploaded. So now here what you need to do, just you have to edit all the site according to your choice. Simply as you can see, if you click on plus button, so now here in the first section you can see the welcome option. So here you can see many templates regarding welcome. So simply just put into your page. So here you can see I've selected this, so just select this. You can also change the text color, size, fonts. So you can also change the text and icon. You can also change the layout here, size of button, and everything. So here you can also change the text of this button, themes, So this is the one. So on the second option, just click on plus button, and after that here you can see the images and all the options. So simply just after that you have to click on plus button, and now here in the button section you can see there are many buttons option available. So you can also add a new button here. So just move to home page. So now here you can also add more sections, like you can also add the about section here. So simply click on about and select the relevant section here. So keep in mind that you have to add the about section at the end of site. And now here you can also edit this, like you can edit all the details here one by one. You can also change the button size, text, fonts, color, and button style. Now again go to the section tool, and now here after welcome and about, the next is team. Simply click on team. So here if you want to add the team members, simply just I want to add this one, simply drag it here. And now here you can also change the image, like select this one, and you can also manage this. You can also change the layout, animation, stretched. So as you can see, you can also go to settings, and here you can change the image, like I select the different one. So here you can change the image. So now again we go to section, and here you can see the contact. If someone want to contact on your website, so simply you can also add the contact section. So as you can see, this is added here. You can also change the details, first name, last name, email, message, and you can also change the button settings here. Now again go to sections, promotions, simply click here. So final sale 50% off. So if any sale or any promotional thing available on your site, simply you can also add this section, and here you can also edit this according to your website choice. You can customize this. Now again go back to sections, and now here you can see the services option. Simply just here what kind of services you are providing, so just select this one. So you can also edit all the options here, services. You can also change the icon, name, font, and everything. Simply just again go back to sections. So next, the subscribers. Simply click here on subscribe. So here you can also edit this section. So simply you can also change the text and font and everything. Now again go to sections. So here you can see the testimonials. You can also edit this one. So in every section you can see there are templates available on Wix, so you don't need to be worried if you create a website through Wix. So as you can see, we select this one, so you can also edit this one. Simply again we go back to sections, and now here you can see the clients option. So you can also drag it here, and in this section you can also edit this images, fonts, video, everything. Simply go back to sections, and here you can see the store option. So simply here select the theme regarding your store, and as you can see here, so you can also change the image, fonts, and everything. So just simply all the buttons and settings available, simply select and edit this. In the next section you can see the bookings, so you can also drag it here, and you can also add this section. It is taking some time, so wait for a few seconds. So now as you can see, we have successfully added booking section here. So after the sections, here you can see the pages and menus option. So you can also add the pages, home, resume, projects. So simply you can also use these options. So here you can go to site design, and here you can design your site like page background, site theme and everything. After that, here you can also add the apps into your website. So here you can see the Wix app market. So here you can also upload the media files, and you can also upload media from your social sites, or you can also embed video and photos here. So finally you understand that how you can easily create a website on Wix by using all the section pages. So this is very easy, just you don't need to put any code or anything. You have to create step by step by selecting sections and all the things. So in this way you can easily create a website on Wix. So as you can see, first of all, if you want to create a affiliate website, simply on the when you create a website, simply select the affiliate. So in this way multiple sections are available. So this is very easy method to create affiliate website in Wix.